This little book is for M1A1 M-14, and I think it's got 33 pages. Got some breakdowns, pictures, more breakdowns, more pictures, illustrations, instructions, more instructions, breakdowns. Looks like it's got some good information in it. Hope you can see that. The disassembly of the barrel and receiver group. Replacing the connector assembly. Anyway, it looks like a pretty good little book. Doesn't have but 33 pages, but it looks like it's got some pretty good information in it. And it's printed in the USA. We don't do much in the USA anymore, but this is printed by JEM Enterprises in the United States of America. Little book, looks like it's got some good information in it.